Everyone's so busy this time of year, sheet pan dinners are the way to go. Bacon Up is perfect for that next level flavor without all the fuss. We did Greek style sheet pan dinner. Let me show you what we did. Now that we've got everything chopped and prepped, we're gonna mix together a half a cup of Bacon Up with lemon juice, fresh parsley, and a bunch of chopped fresh garlic. Now we got that all mixed up, we're gonna take our chicken thighs and pour some of the dressing right over the chicken. So mix up your chicken and let it marinate for a few minutes. That Bacon Up's gonna give it next level flavor. Now we're gonna combine all our veggies in the same marinade. And the nice thing too is you can pick and choose whatever you want to eat off this pan. All right, so now we've got everything all assembled and put together. We're gonna use some olives. My family loves olives. If you guys don't like them, substitute them for something else or don't use them at all. But whatever you do, don't substitute the Bacon Up. Now we're gonna top it off with feta cheese for that final layer of flavor. It's ready to go in the oven. So good, you guys are gonna love this. Here's the simple ingredients it took to make Greek sheet pan chicken.